Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Today, we're at an amazing beach, enjoying the sun, the sand, and the waves, and we're going to have so much fun learning English along the way.
That's right. We're going to explore the beach and learn all kinds of new vocabulary, from swimming to surfing and even beach games. There's so much to talk about, and we'll help you improve your English while having a great time.
Exactly. So, Emma, what's the first thing we should do at the beach? I'm definitely going to get in the water soon. It looks so refreshing.
Oh, I'm with you. The ocean looks amazing today. The waves are perfect for surfing, and the water is so inviting. But before we jump in, let's talk about the beach activities. I love the sand. It's so soft and warm.
Yeah, I love walking barefoot in the sand. There's just something so relaxing about it, don't you think? The beach is the perfect place to just kick back and enjoy the sunshine.
Absolutely. I could stay here all day just listening to the sound of the waves. But wait, look at that. There's a volleyball game going on over there. Do you want to join in?
Oh, I love beach volleyball. I'm not the best at it, but it's so fun. The sand makes it a little harder to move, but that's part of the challenge.
Exactly. It's a great workout too. But I see surfboards over there, and I'm feeling a little adventurous. How about we rent some surfboards and try to ride the waves?
Surfing, that sounds awesome. I've never tried it before, but I'm totally up for it. Let's go grab some boards and see if we can catch some waves.
That's the spirit. I've been surfing a few times, but I'm not exactly a pro. Still, it's so much fun. Let's make sure we put on some sunscreen first. The sun is pretty strong today.
Oh, yeah, good point. I don't want to end up looking like a lobster later. I'll make sure to get some sunscreen on before we head out to the water.
Smart move. The last thing we want is to get sunburned. The beach can be so much fun, but it's important to stay safe in the sun.
Definitely. All right, I think I'm ready. Let's grab our surfboards and head to the water.
Let's go. But first, look at those kids building a sandcastle over there. I used to do that all the time when I was younger. Have you ever built one?
Oh, yes, I love building sandcastles. It's so fun. You can make them as big as you want, and you can decorate them with shells and seaweed.
Let's see how we do with surfing. I hope I don't make a mistake when I try to stand up on the board for the first time.
Don't worry, you'll do great. It's all about balance. And once you get the hang of it, it's so much fun. But if you fall off, it's all good. We'll just get back up and try again.
Right. Okay, let's head out there and give it a shot.
Wow, that was incredible. I can't believe I actually managed to stand on the surfboard. That was my first time, and I didn't fall off too many times.
You did amazing for your first time. I'm so proud of you. I think we're both ready for round 2 now. The waves are perfect today.
Definitely. Let's go again. But after all that surfing, I'm getting hungry. Look at the snack table. There are chips, fruit, and a huge watermelon. I'm definitely going to have a slice of that watermelon.
Oh, yes, watermelon is the perfect beach snack. It's so refreshing, especially when you're out in the sun. I'm going for some chips and salsa. It's always nice to have a salty snack after a swim.
Chips and salsa sound amazing. You can't go wrong with those. And look at the fruit punch over there. I think it's non-alcoholic, but it looks so good.
Yes, I love fruit punch. And it's important to stay hydrated while we're at the beach. We don't want to get dehydrated from the heat.
Good point. I've got my water bottle with me, so I'm all set. Let's make sure to drink plenty of water today.
Absolutely. Hydration is key. But hey, I see a bunch of people setting up for a beach volleyball game over there. I think they need a third player. Let's join in.
Oh, I'm in. I'll be your teammate, Emma. This time, we're going to win.
Let's see about that. I'm pretty competitive when it comes to beach volleyball. But hey, even if we don't win, we'll still have fun and get some great exercise.
True. And I'm pretty sure we're going to have an awesome time no matter what. Now, let's get over there and start playing. I'm ready for some friendly competition.
Let's do it. But before we start, let's remind our viewers about all the new words we learned today. We covered everything from surfboards, waves, sunshine, and hydration to sandcastles, snacks, and frisbees.
Exactly. And I hope everyone had fun learning new words with us today. The beach is such a great place to practice English, especially when there are so many different activities going on.
Well, that's it for today's beach adventure. We had so much fun, and we hope you learned a lot of new vocabulary with us.
Yes, and remember, whether you're at the beach or anywhere else, you can always improve your English by practicing with fun activities.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun adventures and lessons.
And leave a comment below telling us what your favorite beach activity is. Do you like to surf, play volleyball, or just relax in the sun?
We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.
Take care, everyone. Stay safe in the sun and don't forget to hydrate.
Goodbye.